G'day friends and foes, Arjay here. This is not legal advice, episode 35, or TINLA for short, and nor is it legal advice. I'll wait until a couple of people are on, but probably not many people will come on this time of day at nearly 1 p.m. on a work day on a Friday. But anyway, so I'll just imagine people are on. So, wow, I've got one person now. Hello. So anyway, what happened today was the police application, and they had an application to dismiss the case based on an alleged, lack of jurisdiction of the district court. So that was their claim, and then trying to claim, costs against me, get rid of me, that kind of thing. So their application actually said that the starting time was 10 a.m. and it was actually listed for 9:30 a.m. Hi, Jeff. And anyway, so I called the court as I was driving there as well, probably about 9 o'clock, to let them know that I would get there after the 9:30 actual start time. Didn't go into, the notice of the application saying 10 a.m, I don't think, on the phone. But anyway, so I got there about 9:45 after I parked and went to the bathroom and all that jazz. So then just waited in there. The court did say at about 9 o'clock, roughly, I think it might have been, when I called, or maybe 9:15, something like that, that they would email the judge to let her know, or the judge's associate, which is like a judge's helper. And then anyway, so we waited in on the case, and then it turned out that the case was adjourned to the 21st of August, and I just pulled up somewhere to do a little video to let you know what's happening. So it has been adjourned till the 21st of August. It was appropriate to adjourn the matter anyway, but I was hoping for orders before the adjournment. The reason for that is that under the Human Rights Act 2019 Queensland, basically there's a notification method or procedure where you tell basically the state of Queensland, i.e. the Attorney General, and also the Queensland Human Rights Commissioner, that you have a case involving an interpretation or seeking a declaration that a particular law is against human rights, against the Human Rights Act. So that was created and served, so it was appropriate to adjourn the matter for that anyway, because they have to have time, a reasonable amount of time, to basically, find out about the case and see if they wish to intervene, if they wish to contribute to the case. There's also been Section 78B of the Judiciary Act 1903, Commonwealth. So Section 78B notices that a court case, which can include, state and territory courts as well as federal ones as well, but a notice that it involves a constitutional interpretation or constitutional matters. So they have been sent and served on every Attorney General in Australia. So you've got, the ones of the states and territories, as well as Christian Porter, the federal Commonwealth one as well. And again, they have to have a reasonable period in which to, find out about the case and intervene if they wish, and or even send the matter up to the High Court. So that's where we're currently at. If you have any questions, then you can ask them. I still have to be careful what I can answer and what I can't answer, of course. But if any of the people watching now have some questions, then feel free to shoot those through. And also, just as another thing, under Section 78B, that it is appropriate for the court to, postpone matters, adjourn matters, so that they can get those interventions or the removal to the High Court. And I'll also be sending information to the Australian Human Rights Commissioner. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. Very glary here too, in case you're wondering why I'm all squinty. Hi, Stan, as well. So if no one's got questions, then that's fine. I'm just updating what's happening with the case. And there's also other reasons to adjourn the matters. Just so you know as well, including that I did order the transcript from the Magistrates Court several weeks ago, and that's interesting. There's a cloud formation coming up. Where's that? Up there, it looks like it says BI. Interesting. Wonder if it's going to say bicycle or something. Thanks, Wayne. So I did order the transcript a few weeks ago, and there was a problem with the order. Then I had to reorder it, and that is taking time. I finally got a response back that the order will be ready in a couple of weeks' time. So when I have that transcript, then I can provide that to the prospective legal team, barrister, solicitor, and they can work out if they want to take the case on. If not, then, I can see if anyone else wants to. If not, just do it all myself, if need be. Hi, Julia. Thank you. Anyway, so that'll do. And I'm about to go to Brisbane and serve some documents on some interesting people. Legal related, COVID directions related, if that makes sense, but I can't, forewarn people. Maybe I'll do another little video afterwards and say who those people were after it's done, so they don't go in hiding, or, I'm not, just told to wait for 10 hours or something like that. Anyway, so I'll just keep driving and be well, stay awesome. I would also like to thank the 3 supporters who came to the court to support me and support liberty, freedom, all that good stuff. And because the matter was adjourned, then we just went to Australia Fair, and I got everyone lunch, and we had a meeting there about some matters. And thanks, Jeff, as well. So if you want to come on the 21st, that's when the matter has been adjourned at the Southport District Court. And, let's see what happens then. Cheerio. Bye.